In Italy, they use rice for all kinds of dishes. My dolce, Torta di Riso, a rich, creamy custard cake with a cherry glaze. My milk has just come up to a gentle simmer, which means it's time to add some rice. And this is arborio rice. Because this rice is the perfect kind of rice for this really creamy rice cake. Just a touch of sweetening to bring out those wonderful rice flavors. So a gentle simmer and a constant stir to get that rice to hand over the starch to the milk. Just take a look at how thick and very creamy this rice and milk mixture has become. And that rice still has a little firmness to it. A sheet pan cooling down in the fridge or freezer. And then you spread your hot mix all over it. And the larger the surface area, the quicker things are going to cool down. So whilst that's cooling, I can get on with the big flavor ingredients. Now my rice has cooled down enough so that I can incorporate my egg mixture without them cooking from the excessive heat from the rice. Now the next few ingredients really pack a punch of flavor. And it starts off with almond flour. Big nutty taste. Of warm spices, ground clove, and the ever-lovable cinnamon. I've just added some wonderful lemon peel for a great zesty freshness to it. Into a spring form that has been lightly greased, so it'll come out really easily. I covered my torta di riso with a little aluminum foil partway through cooking to prevent it from browning up too much. Before I take the ring foam off, I'm going to add a good amount of maraschino cherry liqueur.